Good morning students, I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir. Today I have brought new video for you. In this video we shall discuss about the computer memory unit and different storage devices. So student, let us start with our first topic, memory unit. So student, now we shall talk about the memory unit. It is the most important part of the computers that make it more powerful and usable device. Memory unit store the data and instruction. It also send them to other parts of the computer when needed. Data, instruction and informations are stored before processing, during execution and after processing. Computers are mainly divided into two types, internal memory and external memory. So first of all, we shall discuss about the first type of the computer memory, which is internal memory. This is the main memory of the computer. It is also called primary memory. It is fixed on the motherboard of the computer. Primary memory is the place where data and programs are stored temporarily as long as they are being executed. Internal memory is further divided into two types. First is RAM. The full form of RAM is random access memory. And second is ROM. The full form of ROM is read only memory. So first now. So students, RAM is a temporary memory. The information stored in this memory is lost as the power supply to the computer is turned off. That's why it is also called the volatile memory. Have you understood? Have you understood? Next is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. It is a type of memory from which information can only be read. It is non-volatile memory as it stores information permanently. Data stored in ROM can neither be modified nor removed. The primary use of the ROM is during the booting process. So first type of the internal memory is completed here. Now we shall talk about the second type of the computer memory, which is known as external memory. External memory is also known as auxiliary memory or secondary memory. It is used to store the different programs and information permanently. It can store a huge amount of data. Now students, the first secondary memory storage device is hard disk. This is the most important part of the CPU, and this is the main storage device of the computer, which is fixed in the CPU box. It can store huge amount of data, and its storage capacity is very high, that varies from 200 GB to 8 terabyte. A hard disk contains a number of metallic disks which are called platters. Information is recorded on the surface of the platters in a series of concentric circles. These concentric circles are called tracks. Second most common storage device is CD-ROM. It is a thin plastic disc coated with the metals. CD-ROM refer to the compact disc read-only memory. Data or information is recorded at the time of manufacturing and it can only be read. Third is DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disk. It is also very common storage device which is used by us for storing the videos, songs, audio and other kind of the digital information. DVD discs are optical discs with much larger storage capacities as compared to CD. A DVD can hold 4.7 GB to 17 GB of data. Is that clear? Now, come to the next storage device, which is pen drive. It is also very popular and usable also. It is a small and portable flash memory data storage device mainly used to transfer audios, videos and data files from the hard drive of one computer to another. It is removable and rewritable. Pen drive is also called flash drive and is available with storage capacities of up to 2 terabyte of data. Next is memory sticks. Memory sticks is also very common and popular storage device which is used by us in our mobile phones, camera and etc. So memory stick is a removable flash memory card, and a memory stick is a versatile, compatible and user friendly, which make it the most popular portable memory device used for sharing, storing, enjoying the digital content anywhere, anytime. It is available in the different capacities like 4 GB, 8 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB and 2 terabyte. Thank you for watching my videos.